Hi, this is another video in the playlist where we're looking at GCSE maths bounds type questions. Please do stop the video, have a go at the question and then compare your solution. Okay, so we're given the formula D equals ST, which I suspect is distance equals speed times time. Okay, and then it says S is 15.93, and the important thing is correct to 2 decimal places. So we need to just have a look at that. So what we're saying is we've got S and the lower bound, the smallest S that could be is 15.925, because the second decimal place here is 2. Well, that can convert to 3, in other words, this number here, if the number, the third decimal place is going to be 5 or above. So 5 would be the smallest that could possibly be. So the answer to get this to the lower bound would be 15.925, which basically means then the upper bound is going to be 15.935. Just remember, we're not talking about rounding numbers here. We're talking effectively about tolerances. So the middle number is 15.93. Okay, let's have a look then at T. Now this is again correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, so a little bit of a bigger number to be playing with here. So what we're saying is that the lower bound, and you'll note that I always do the lower bound first, I just find it a little bit easier to do that, is going to be 1.5555, okay, because the third decimal place is 5. That's going to convert to 6 if the number in the fourth decimal place is 5 or below or above. Okay, so because it's the lowest number it's going to be, that would be the lowest number for the lower bound. Okay, let's look at the upper bound. All right, well, that's going to be 1.5565. Okay, so we're now being asked to calculate the upper bound for D in terms of the formula. So the upper bound is going to be D equals the upper bound of S, which is 15.935, multiplied by the upper bound of T, which is 1.5565. Okay, and if you pop that into a calculator, you're going to get an answer of 24.802825. Okay, now you'll note that on the question it says give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. The third decimal place is going to be 2. I'm actually going to make that 3 because this number afterwards, the fourth decimal place, is above 5. So the answer to the actual question to 3 decimal places is 24.803, and that's 3 decimal places. Okay, hope that's been useful to you. Please do add a question in the comments below if you're not sure about anything. Also have a look at some of the other videos within this particular playlist, which are reflective of probably around about grade 6, grade 7 GCSE. Hope it's been useful. Look forward to seeing you inside the next video.